Welcome to Red Dutch's Farm. I'm Mark, and we're finally getting some cooler weather, so it's time to hook the wood cook stove up. We've had our wood heating stove burning here for probably 10 days or so, and even though we've got some really nice weather coming up here in the next few days, some temperatures in the 70s for our daytime highs, it's still cooling off enough of an evening and at night that we could begin using the wood cook stove. So let's get this wood cook stove hooked up. The first thing we have to do is the neck on the flue that goes on the back needed a new gasket and new bolts. So we'll get the new gasket and new bolts put in, and then we'll be ready to start putting up the stovepipe. What I'm doing here is installing replacement gasket, and I'm using furnace cement underneath the gasket material, basically to hold it in place and to help it to seal. And then we're just using the cement just to put some on there and smooth it out, and then put our gasket material on. And then once we get that all on, then we'll be ready to put this neck of this stove back on and bolt it into place. So we'll bring you back whenever we're ready to bolt this in place. Now I think we'll put a little stove cement around the edges of this, and then we'll be ready to set it in place. And I think we're good to go. We have our up pipe and elbow in. This next piece of pipe, we have the damper installed, the cross pipe. And we need that piece of pipe there with the damper in it. And then this little short piece of pipe here that goes from here to here. That little short pipe will also be coming from the wood cook stove. And we have a T to install here to bring that flue pipe into this flue. So that will be the next step. Got to go on first.
Okay.
So you may need to pull that stove down. Your first job will be.
Okay, yeah, you're gonna cook it on.
will set right off in there. Be very careful.
This?
Yeah. And that I can't slide this stuff.
Yeah, I think I am. Except for that I need to go up on this. I'm not gonna do it to you. Or tell it to. Okay. Really? Okay, you gotta come out just a little bit. Okay. Whoops, too far. Okay. This goes in. Okay, hang on.
The flue to the wood cook stove's completely hooked up now, and it's ready to go. We did use furnace cement on it, and the container recommends waiting 24 hours for it to cure some before building a fire. So as much as I want to build a fire in the wood cook stove for the first time this evening, it'll be tomorrow evening at the earliest before we actually do that. So hang around and we'll show you the first fire and the first meal that I've ever cooked on a wood cook stove. If you like our videos, please share, like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and leave a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching from Red Duchess Farm. You have a great day.